back to Viral Videos. This episode, Friday. No! Oh, black screen. Oh my goodness, black screen. Hey, I see my reflection. Woo! Okay, let's see what I'm gonna watch today. I'm gonna click the button.
Oh, that was gonna be for the data cell.
No, this is worse than Neon Cat. No, please turn it off. 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 No. No, please, no, no, no. I hate you so much, Red. Red, I hate you so much.
Yeah, but see, that's going to give it more.
Oh my God, Red, I quit. Please, please, just turn it off.
I need to dissolve a little bit more. Yeah, let's sit.
Yeah, let's just
All right, yep.
Please. Why, Red? Why?
Hey, what else do you want in that salad? What's that?
Oh no. It's Friday.
China was closed. U.S. was open and small. Everyone's open.
No, we're not. Please.
What do you want in that salad?
Oh, cool. Skipped. Yes. What the?
Carrots?
What? I never seen this part. What?
Sully?
Huh?
I don't think you do.
What?
Yeah, I don't think you do. I'm good with that. I'll figure it out.
End it. Thank you. Okay, I already got what I want to say.
Exactly, we would do the same thing.
I'm never going to like that music video. That music video.
You gonna put those burgers on?
Stinks.
I'm waiting for you to go.